Hello everyone, I am Vaishali, a psychologist and a play therapist. So, after my previous video, a lot of people suggested me with doing something in regards to parenting. So today I am with this video on few of the parenting tips. So first, we understand what in a sense parenting is. Parenting is a serious business. And as much as this journey is enriching and fulfilling, it's really tiring and difficult. So, we need to understand what all techniques and tools we can use or develop in order to have an effective parent child relationship. So, firstly, it's really essential to understand your child. By understanding, what do I mean is that we need to develop a good communication with our child. So let them be free with you. Let them share things with you. In order for them to share things with you, it's really essential that as parents, you be really affectionate towards them. Let them have that comfort zone with you. Let them be reassured that they can share anything and everything with you. This is going to develop a positive relationship and they are going to feel really secure sharing or expressing themselves. Now, this is in regards to them expressing. But we as parents are role models to our child. So it's really important that you also develop a really corrective patterns to expressing yourself and how do you develop or monitor your own emotions, how do you manage your own emotions. It's really important. So for instance, if the child is playing with water here on the in the living room and you just yell at them and say, what is this is not the way to play. Instead of that, if you say the child that, listen, if you want to play with water, you can go to the bathroom and play. If you play in the living room, someone can slip and they can fall. So now, here, what you are doing is, you are telling the child that this is wrong and this is right. But along with that, you are explaining the child that why a certain thing, a certain act is wrong. So here the child is understanding the whys of the things. It's really important to let the child know the whys of the things, because if the child is not understanding, the child is not getting the reasons to why a certain behavior is wrong or a certain act is wrong, the child will not learn it. The child might not understand it or implement it for the next time. So it's really important to monitor your own emotions and your own way of expressing towards your child. And as much as we focus on child's rights and wrongs, it's really important for us to appreciate the child or look at the child's positives when they do really good or they even try to attempt to do something. So it's important to compliment your child, to praise them. It should be as simple, as direct as, you have done this coloring inside the box very nicely, or you nicely kept all the toys inside the box. This is really direct. The child is going to understand only the direct compliments. It should be as clear and very as simple as possible for the child to understand. And this is going to help the child in later lives, in later parts of their lives. So like developing their own self-image. Now, as much as we say, hear and express, it's really important sometimes to observe. This is a thing that is not to be heard but to be observed. It's really important to observe your child's behavior. So sometimes the child is engaging in some unusual act or the child is behaving unusually on some days. It's really important as parents to understand that why your child is behaving in a certain way. So you need to observe that what is the thing or what is the reason behind it. Now, we need to understand that play is the basic source of child. It is their basic job. So they are going to be really very natural when they are playing, and try understanding their behaviors through play. Try to be contributors to their job, to their play. get along with playing with them and understand and communicate to them very effectively through play. Now play is going to be really a good way to have a quality time spent with your child. So try knowing your child's behaviors and observing the child through play. Now these are few of the ways that you can work about with, but it's really essential as parents to have a natural way of communication, to monitor your child's behavior and understand what could be the underlying reasons to it, and to make the child understand that it's okay to feel all the things, and no matter what world goes upside down, you are going to be always there for them. It is going to develop a really good relationship with your child, and it's going to really help to understand your child in a better way. I hope this video was informative to you, and if you want to me to do something on any other topic, you let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much.